Hello students, this is Indrani Mathematics. Now chapter number 6, Lines and Angles. Example 4, page number 101. In figure 6.24, this is the given figure. If PQ parallel to RQ, this is PQ parallel to RS. Okay. PQ and RS, both these rays are parallel. These two lines are parallel. It is not a ray, actually it is a line, okay, because both sides are extending, so it is called a line. These two lines are parallel. Angle MXQ, angle MXQ, this angle is given it as 135 degree. Angle MYR, this angle is given it as 40 degree. We should find out angle XMY, we want to find this angle, okay. So for this one, I am going to construct, draw AP parallel to PQ through the point M. So through this point M, we have to draw AB line. Okay, through M, draw AB line which is parallel to PQ. Now, the first thing, AB, this AB is parallel to PQ and PQ, this PQ is parallel to RS. Look at this. This PQ is parallel to this one is parallel to 2. But 2 is parallel to 3. Am I right? These two are parallel and these two are, that is, these two are parallel. 1 and 2 are parallel. 2 and 3 are parallel, which implies, what is the meaning? 1 and 3 are also parallel. So AB is parallel to RS. Now AB, this is parallel to PQ. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal XM. XM is a transversal. So interior angles on the same side. XM is a transversal. Interior angle XQXM, this is one of the angle. XMB, this is another angle. So interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So you have a transversal, you have two parallel lines like this. These two are nothing but interior angles. If you find out the sum of the interior angle, the angle is 180 degree. Okay. So these two angles, sum is 180 degree. This is known fact. So sum of these interior angles gives 180 degree. There I am substituting 135 degree. Angle QXM plus angle XMB equal to 180 degree. Here given angle QXM is 135 degree. Substitute it 135. Plus this is as it is equal to 180. Make it 135 to the other side. So angle XMB equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree, that is 45 degree. So angle XMB equal to 45 degree. Okay. Similarly, I am going for next. So I got this angle 45 degree. Okay. I want to find out this angle now. Now AB is parallel to RS and MY is a transversal. So alternate angles are equal, no? So this is, and this one will form an alternate angles. So angle BMY equal to angle MYR, that is 40 degree. Okay. So this angle is 40 degree. Now you got this angle already 45, this is 40. Finding the sum, you will get XMY, angle is nothing but 45 plus 40, that is called 85 degree. So that I am doing here. Alternate angles are equal. So angle BMY is 40 degree. So this is given. Angle MYR is nothing but 40 degree. So this angle is 40 degree. So what I want is XMY I need. Angle XMY I need, that is XMB plus BMY, that is 45 degree plus 40 degree, that is equal to 85 degree. Okay.